Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. They take their connections with the human dharmas to be primary. They work to increase their profits and their fame, but they fall upon the Vajra needle, and they will be forever lost from the family of the free. Our own mind is our Guru, the Lord of us all. When we do not depend on the perfection of our own self-originating minds, there is no Buddhahood for us to realize. The Gurus of the three times are experiences for our minds. This is indeed the King of Wisdoms. All the things that we desire are hopeless. A treasure of great price brings us everything that we desire. The true nature of our own minds is an awareness that does not harbor any words or language. It teaches us an essence that is equal to the way that it is. It is like putting water into water. Awareness that settles itself does not differentiate. Our awareness of reality does not change. Our own minds are a self-originating perfection. We have a nature which is the perfection of all good things. If we lack any resolve concerning uncontrived awareness, a guru of words may tell us anything. If we do not have any wisdom that is self-aware, we will not achieve our purpose, which is total liberation. The jewel that is the spontaneous perfection of everything that we desire has a nature that is pure and perfect. It does not come from any cause. It is pure from the primordial. It is not destroyed by any conditions. It is unchanging. In the perfect transmission of non-dual wisdom, we all come together and are totally pure. This is not a contrivance. This is primordial Buddhahood. It is, it is our true selves. We have cut through everything else. Our precious Guru fulfills our desires. The origin of all things is an experience that is like a jewel. The blind man Ulus Prashaka was lost in his visualizations, and so he lost his pathway.